to my channel. So those who know me and for those who don't know me, hi, my name is Khushbu Singh and I am your BizBuddy. I'll be very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So you all must be thinking, right, why I am here, what is the second video about, right? So to be very honest, I really wanted to start a little like slow, right? Slow and steady wins the race. हमने बचपन से सीखा था. So I am so excited to share my journey with all of you. Since it's a very like early bird stage of my channel, right? So what could be the best like opportunity to let you guys know who is Khushbu or who is BizBuddy or how did Khushbu turn into BizBuddy, right? I'll be sharing my life experiences, my journey so far. How did my experiences turned or shaped me into an individual that I am today, right? Whether you're here for the passion of management or business, etc., or you've just stumbled upon my channel, I hope my story resonates with you. So to start with, I was born and raised in one of the cleanest city of India, which is Indore, Madhya Pradesh, where I grew up with two younger siblings. My mother, my father, my grandparents, my paternal uncle, aunt. So I always grew up in a very dynamic joint family, and from the very initial stage, I saw people with different POVs, right? And as a kid, I always had an interest in people understanding me as an individual, to be in that spotlight or to be in that limelight wherein people can listen to my point of views, wherein people can hear me out what I wanted to convey, whether it is through academics, through my co-curricular activities, through my sports, anything or everything. I always wanted to stand out amongst the crowd. So I was always that kind of a student or that kind of a kid from the very start, जिसको है ना मतलब रुकना नहीं पसंद था मुझे. लाइक मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ, स्कूल से आ रही हूँ, आई पुट माई बैग डाउन, आई गो आउट, आई प्ले, आई कम बैक, आई चेंज माई क्लोथ्स, आई गो टू कोचिंग, आई कम बैक, आई वॉच टीवी, आई हैव फन विथ माई फैमिली, देन थोड़ा बहुत होमवर्क किया, देन गोइंग टू स्लीप अगेन एंड देन लाइक. सो वो मतलब दिन में रेस्ट कम और मस्ती ज़्यादा, राइट? और ऐसा नहीं कि पढ़ाई नहीं की, पढ़ाई के टाइम पढ़ाई की, मस्ती के टाइम मस्ती की. आई वॉज नॉट वन ऑफ दो स्टूडेंट हु वॉज वेरी गुड इन टू academics, but yes, what was required, I was doing it. I was very notorious kind of a kid, right? And यूजुअली जो नोटोरियस बच्चे होते हैं दे आर बैक बेंचर्स, बट आई वॉज नेवर अ बैक बेंचर. आई वॉज ऑलवेज द फ्रंट लाइन बेंचर, एंड इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज टू बी इन लाइक बुक्स, academics or everything. I always wanted to be in notice, whether I am doing something bad, whether I am doing something right. I always wanted to be in notice. I always wanted to express myself, and ये नहीं सोचती थी मैं कभी कि यार अगर मैं गलत हुई तो, अगर मैं ये सोचती तो आई गेस मैं वो ना तो पीछे होती ना तो आगे होती. वो बीच वाली बेंच में जो बच्चे छुप के बैठे होते हैं ना, मैं वो हो जाती. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता था वेदर आई एम गोइंग राइट और वेदर आई एम गोइंग रॉन्ग. आई वॉज ऑलवेज आउट देयर, ठीक है, टू स्टैंड आउट अमंग्स द क्राउड. सो आई वॉज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ किड. एंड यू नो what I am today is because of what I was today in past, right? So your future sculpture is like a result of the clay, a hardcore clay that you were in the very initial, right? How you did form yourself. Nobody is going to sculpt you. You need to like form your own body, right? From the very start. And I did it from the beginning. And major of the credit goes to my family, my father, my mother. They never stopped me in doing anything. Whether it is academics में क्या pursue करना है, whether I wanted to dance, whether I wanted to be in sports, जहाँ जाना है, जो करना है करो. They just always had something in mind कि जो भी कर रहे हो ना, don't do something which is useless, right? Do something that shapes you as an individual. So they always supported me in anything and everything that I do, and somehow that is something that motivated me, or that is something that fueled my curiosity towards what I am today, right? And they were the drives of motivation for my life. So I am very like thankful to God कि मुझे ऐसे parents मिले, right? Like this was my initial stage so far, and even as a kid I was always keen into, you would think that I am boasting, but I was always keen into management. मुझे हमेशा उन सारी चीज़ों में होना पसंद होता था जहाँ पे मैं एज अ लीडर काम करूँ, मेरी लोग सुने, मैं जो कह रही हूँ वो चीज़ें हों, मैं अपना POV प्रेजेंट करूँ विदाउट डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग एनीबडी. आई ऑलवेज न्यू द थिन लाइन बिटवीन प्रेजेंटिंग माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज एंड disrespecting, right? I always knew my parents taught me in a certain way. So this was my early stage of life. This is how I was sculpting this body, or this is how I was sculpting the future Khushbu. I did my schooling from a Christian school, right? A convent school, because my parents always wanted their kids, whether they are like talking right or talking wrong, but whatever they should talk it English. So hence, with this stereotype that Christian schools do shape individuals into a good, well-mannered students with good personality, so they did send me to a Christian school. After my schooling, I went to study Bachelor's of Business Administration in International Trade as a stream. And I was a COVID duration wala student. So initial 1.5 year, things were fine. I was going to college. I was learning a lot of things. And in the very initial years, right, those years, I learned a lot about different things. I discovered a lot, like what I really wanted to be, whether it is personally, whether it is professionally. I learned a lot of things. And when it comes to learning, I got to know about different streams of management, whether it is finances, whether it is operations, people management, which we call human resource, right? Whether it is marketing, right? ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने नई नई सीखना शुरू की, and then these things were very exciting. International trade as a stream मैंने इसलिए लिया था because I was assuming, I was a kid, right? I was assuming कि ये पढ़ने के बाद I will go abroad, I will work for an MNC, sitting in 4x4 cabin, passing orders to people, attending meeting, making presentations. But then in the very first few weeks of my university days, मेरा वो bubble फूट चुका था. And then I formed a very new bubble for my own self, which was management bubble. I was very excited and I was very happy that I chose a very right field for myself. So as I say, every experience of your life shapes you as an individual. And in my COVID days, right, I somehow figured out that CAT करते हैं. फिर मैंने CAT का सोचा, फिर COVID came in. I could not prepare well for my CAT examination because I'm not that kind of a student जो virtually इतनी जल्दी comfortable हो जाता है पढ़ने के लिए. फिर then I decided कि I will go for tier 2, tier 3 college, and eventually I got to know that one of my cousins has studied from somewhere. So I decided to go for PGDM as a stream. So you would think, why did I go for PGDM and why not MBA? So I'll be preparing a separate video, why PGDM and why not MBA. These are two different fields and yet again the same. But what were my reasons to choose PGDM? I'll definitely let you know. Then I chose PGDM and I did my PGDM from GL Bajaj Institute of Management and Research in Marketing and HR. And somehow, like, this was my educational journey, and trust me, the 2 years that I've spent in GL Bajaj in Greater Noida were the best years of my life. I learned a lot of things, right? I met very good people in my life. I met certain bad people as well that also, like, again gave me a lesson to learn. So I've met different individuals. I did a lot of things to shape me as an individual. What I said in the very start, right? The clay is only in your hand. There is nobody going to sculpt you as an individual. You are yourself going to sculpt your own self. So like everybody, my journey hasn't been without any challenges, right? I've also like had a time when I was facing a lot of things at the same time. So as I mentioned apne COVID times mein, right, wherein I was struggling with should I wait for 1 more year and prepare for CAT as an examination and then appear for different rounds जो होते हैं, PI, GD and everything, and get into a top B school, or shall I utilize my this 1 year and then get into not the best but something better and then start my journey, right? I will be slow, I will be steady, but somehow I will be in the league, right? So hence I did start and thought कि चलो ठीक है. I had a lot of like challenges. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने लगी. एक टाइम पे realize हुआ when I saw some of my like peer group जिस society से मैं आती थी, वहाँ से बच्चे are taking 1 year का gap, doing like appearing for good competitive exams and then getting into good B schools. So seeing them and then seeing my parents, what did my parents do less for me कि मैं वो चीज़ें नहीं कर रही हूँ, right? So मैंने भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें face की throughout my life, but eventually again everything that I did shape me as an individual. Every failure, like I always like, abhi tak to the biggest failure that I think in my life is not appearing twice for CAT and not getting into the best B school. But again, that failure also did lead me into my life, right? Somehow it taught me how to adjust with what I have in my life, right? To be grateful for what you have with you. And you know what, these kind of experiences did make me stronger. And अगर मैंने वो अभी जो किया जर्नी में अपने थ्रू आउट, अगर मैंने वो नहीं किया होता तो शायद मैं आज यहाँ नहीं होती, राइट? अगर मुझे वो रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता, देखो रियलाइजेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ. सो अगर मुझे वो रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता कि नहीं, मैंने टॉप बी स्कूल नहीं प्रेफर किया, मैं नहीं गई आगे, तो मुझे अगर वो रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता तो मैंने जो वो एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डाला, राइट, एन एक्स्ट्रा आउंस टू बी अ गुड इंडिविजुअल, वो मैं नहीं डालती, राइट? वो मैं करती ही नहीं. सो एट द एंड दिस इज हाउ इट शेप्ड मी एज एन इंडिविजुअल. सो the sar of this segment of the video is everybody has challenges, right? Nobody has a cakewalk in their life, right? There are times, there are parts of chapters of your life which have certain cakewalks, but not the whole life of yours is a cakewalk. So today I am working as an assistant manager HR with Bajaj Capital Limited, which is one of the leading financial services company in India. And this is what I am today professionally. But as I mentioned, I have a very keen interest in like startups, growing businesses. So in my free time on weekends, I do consult a lot of startups in their growing stage, in their weak areas, whether it is people management, whether it is designing policies, working on their finances, consulting, marketing, operations, anything or everything which they need my help in, I do help them. There are a lot of startups that I have worked in my college days, which I am currently working now. And trust me, if if Khushbu ever thought that she's not that mature enough or not that older enough to consult a startup, so she would not have learned what she's learning right now. So I never stopped myself on the basis of what age I am, right? So मतलब वो नहीं होता है, सीखने और सिखाने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. कभी कभी कोई छोटा ही बहुत कुछ ऐसा सिखा जाता है जो हमने कभी सोचा नहीं होता है. So I always had this thing in my mind. And trust me, even now, I am always looking for ways to improve myself and to challenge myself as an individual. And the result is I've already started this YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel is a very big part of my journey, professional journey so far. I've always, as mentioned, I've always wanted to create a space for my own self, right? If I have something to share or to help somebody with like-minded people on how I think, right, and they think the same way, I would be happy enough if somebody resonates with me and somehow my journey, my life experiences help them in their journey. So why did I start this channel? So I started this channel because I wanted to build a community, right? The community wherein we can learn together. I'm not here to give you gyan, right? I'm here to learn together. I give certain opinions, you give certain opinions to me, whether it is through Hoga Time wherein we will connect live. There would be times you can drop comments about your opinions about if I am saying something and you don't think that it is something that is right according to you, you think that there is some other POV for the same. Yes, you can give certain POVs. I want people, like-minded people, to resonate, right? To understand who Khushbu is, how did she build her own self. And I am not a celebrity or I am not somebody जिसने अपनी life में बहुत कुछ कर दिया है. I am here to share what I have done with little things in my life. So outside work, personal life, if I talk about me as an individual, what do Khushbu like to enjoy, right? So I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy roaming around to random places with my friends. I have a very keen interest in dancing. I am somehow a little bit trained semi-classical dancer. I like and love to read books. I'm a very great book lover. So there are different kind of book lovers, right? But the book lover that Biz Buddy is, she never sticks to one genre of book. You give me any random genre, I would love to read it. So this is what I do in my free time. So this is a little about me. I know मैं 10 घंटे की भी वीडियो बनाऊँ तो कम होगी. It is about me, but yes, we have our journey so far. We have a long way to go. So in midst of the way, I'll keep telling you about like something or the other thing about me, and I am very looking forward to learning from you guys and passing on something which I have learned so far. So thank you for staying tuned and watching this video throughout. So again, I'll be very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And please don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update on any of the videos. Please do hit like, share and comment. And stay tuned. Doodles!